The code words on the following pages are numbered according to the number of the word in the vocabulary. If a pattern sentence is marked P, this means that an English translation or an explanation may be found after the last pattern sentence.
第一，買 A. 阮太太去買物 B. 你要去佗位買
Where are you going to go to buy them?
C. 阮先生去買褲 D. 我無買真濟物件 E. 你若要買，我甲你去買。第二，買無 A. 林先生去買伊的衫，買有無
Mr. Lim went to buy his clothes. Did he buy what he wanted?
無，買無
No, he didn't. Couldn't find his size, etc.
B. 我去買無，你去買，好無
I went to buy it, but couldn't buy any. You go and buy it, okay?
C. 台中若買無，我要去台北買。
If I can't find it in Daitung, I'll go buy it in Daiba.
第三，買有 A. 你的褲，我買有啊。
I've bought your pants. Found what you wanted.
B. 我買無，你去佗位買，買有。
I wasn't able to buy them. Where did you look that you were able to buy them?
C. 我衫買有，褲買無。D. 佇台中我買有，佇彰化你若買無，請你來台中買。第四，買 A. 伊的厝要賣，你要買無
Literally, his house he's going to sell. Do you want to buy it? Note, in speaking of the selling of a house, Ie-chu is more common than In-chu.
B. 這佇台中無人在賣。
No one is selling this in Daitung.
C. 我猶未食飯，有人在賣飯無 D. 衫一領伊賣68箍，你愛買無
He sells one dress for $68. Do you want one?
E. 60箍伊毋賣，伊要賣72箍。
He is unwilling to sell for $60. He wants $72.
第五，穿 A. 若毋是我的衫，我無愛穿。B. 我的衫互你穿，你愛無 C. 伊穿的衫褲愛真濟錢。
His clothes cost plenty.
D. 這是伊在穿的衫褲，毋是我的。
These are his clothes, not mine. These are the clothes that he wears, they're not mine. Note that Ide-ching does not mean he's wearing them right now, but that he frequently wears them, that is, they're his.